Govee Interior light install. And of course, guys, if you guys are interested in this thing, it will be linked down below in the description. I'm not a sponsor or it's not an affiliate link or anything, so I'm just trying to help you out. So I'm just trying to help you out. So make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Check out my channel. If I make pretty decent content, consider subscribing. You know what I'm saying? But yes, anyways, guys, let's hop into the video. So this is what comes inside with the box zip ties, and this is technically plug and play. I don't even know how to wire, so you know what I'm saying. And they do come with 3M tape at the back and some nuts for you if you want to bolt it down, like the side. And this is probably like the remote control. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, this is honestly it. So the first thing what I like to do, I like to check it out first if it actually works. So I already plugged it in, and then now let's turn on the key. And oh shoot, it does work. So every time we're gonna install something, make sure to check if it actually works. All right, so there is 4 strips, right? So these 2 is gonna be on the front, and then these 2 is gonna be at the back, like right next to the seatbelt. So 1 over there and then 1 right here. So you might wonder how will I fit it in over there. Well, technically this thing is kind of small, so honestly you just lift this thing a little bit up, and then you just stick this thing inside, and then it should go through the center console, and then it should be over there. So after when y'all stick it from the other side, you come back over for your driver's side, and then you see that thing right there, and then you just pull it out. Bam, just like that, guys. This will probably be one of the hardest out of all the other 4, but this one is well worth it. Alright guys, so I just got to install. Sorry, I didn't really film much, but as you guys can see, there's no wiring. It is because I tucked in all the wires inside here, of course, because I don't really like showing wires. And this is the remote control. This is technically the lighting. It is off. I'll show you guys how it is with music. All right, and guys, they do have an app for you. All right, so you can technically change do no brightness to hella bright, change it to red, change it to purple, change it to blue, change it to whatever color you want, guys. But I like it because it connects to this little paw thingy, so don't lose that thing or don't break that thing, and then you'll be all set. And it's easy to control with your phone. So it's a plus, it's a 10. And then if you want to vibe with music, look like I'm talking to this right now, or I'm tapping this thing, see, I'm not doing anything, but if I'm talking, this thing is picking up from what I'm talking. Right, so when you play music with this thing, it will vibe with the music. Yeah, and then it vibes with the music, so it's pretty lit. It's pretty nice, huh, guys? What do you guys think? That'll be the end of this video, and thank you guys for watching till the end. And yes, guys, anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys did, smash the like button and subscribe button. Check out my channel. If I make pretty decent content, like I said earlier, consider subscribing. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys on another video. So dream big and inspire.